Hai, balik lagi bersama gue Jati Ardianto. Bla 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 bla. Oke, kali ini gue punya guest star yang keren banget dan mungkin kalian nggak akan menyangka dan semoga ada manfaat hal baik, positive things yang dapat diambil baik oleh kalian dan kalau ada yang jelek atau buruk, tolong jangan diambil. Welcome to my guest star. Jeng 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 jeng. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm really good. By the way, can you introduce yourself first for my
Yeah,
viewers?
yeah, okay. How about you, my friend? Forget me.
What? Can you?
How about you? Forget me.
No, I'm not forget you, but you have to introduce yourself first for my viewers, man.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Okay, let you do that.
come on. My name is Batuhan,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm living in Turkey, and I'm living in Istanbul. I'm a civil engineer currently. I just finished my university, and I'm waiting you for a question.
What do you want to question I asking to you?
Okay, forget this. Cancel. Video is canceled.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Aryan,
It's
no,
okay.
no, no, no. Because I said I'm waiting for the question.
Alright, I will cut this. Okay, let replace this. Okay. Let replay.
Okay,
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you so much. By the way, where are you now? I think you're in the room or what?
Yeah, yeah. This is our guest room.
All right. What's your schedule after this, man?
Probably I'm gonna go outside and take some funny events for time. And yes,
I wish you have a lot of time for me and my viewers. Maybe you have some things that you give for us and the good things, and we can to like exchange our mind, like your culture, my culture, right?
well, we could do this. We could
All
do
right,
this because we have enough time. Yeah, we
all
have
right.
enough time today.
By
Take
the
your time.
way, I already prepared the questions for you, and I wish you can
Mm-hmm.
answer, and I wish you can explain. All right.
Yeah, I hope. I hope.
The first question is for you, man. And okay, we know each other with different. We have a different culture. We have the different countries, right? And of course, we have
Yeah,
we have different skin like this. My skin is brown, and your
yeah,
skin is white. Okay.
yeah. You are a bit difficult.
Tell me about your culture, which is in Turkey, right? And what's so special about it and compared to Middle Eastern countries? Before you answer, let me explain for my viewers first. Oke, jadi guys, gue bertanya tentang tell me about your culture, which is in Turkey. What's so special about it compared to Middle Eastern countries? Jadi maksudnya itu adalah tolong kasih tahu gue, jelaskan ke gue tentang culture-nya dia, which is itu di Turki dan bagaimana perbedaannya Turki dengan dunia Barat lainnya gitu. Oke, let's answer this.
Okay, that's a good question, and besides, I can explain you easily. Yes, but I have to say something about this subject.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to say this, but I have to, because mostly people thinking Turkish people the same nationalities and with the Arab guys,
Uh-huh.
people doing this, but this is not true. And if you look at the Middle East area and this region, you can see Arab and Iran and the Turkish nationalities.
Mm-hmm.
And these three culture very different from each other.
Uh-huh.
Very different. Not even close. Not similar. Very different. And okay, I give you some simple example
Uh-huh.
um, about the lifestyle. because this is a particular thing.
Mm-hmm.
Any act, it could be crime in the Saudi Arabia, but the same act could be free in Turkey because the secular rules involved here, you know, and this is a secular country. I mean, Turkey is a good country if you will be visitor in here.
Okay,
You know?
man, let me explain with bahasa first for my viewers. Oke guys, jadi dia bilang ini bahwasannya Turki itu culture-nya di Turki itu berbeda dengan budaya Barat ataupun yang sejenisnya. Tapi dia punya kesamaan dengan Barat, which is itu berbeda dengan yang kita tahu sebelumnya bahwa Turki itu seperti negara Arab. Itu beda karena sebenarnya di Turki itu mempunyai kebebasan dalam melakukan apapun, beda dengan halnya dengan Arab. Nah, itulah kesamaan antara Turki dan negara Barat. Tetapi kalau dari segi keturunan apa namanya? Turki mempunyai keturunan keturunan dari bangsa Arab juga itu sendiri sih kayak gitu. Kurang lebihnya seperti itu. Oke, let's the next move on the next question, or you wanna still explain about that? Do you want to still explain about that, or move on to the next question?
Yeah, that was enough. Yeah, that was enough. I think. Yeah.
Okay, man. The number two question
Okay.
is Turkey is the only country which geographical divided into two continents, which are Asia and Europe, right?
Yep.
And how's the people? Are they socially more Western or Eastern? Wait, I will explain
Okay,
I will explain first for people. Jadi guys, gue bertanya, Turki itu kan geografikalnya di antara dua benua, antara benua apa namanya Asia dan benua Eropa. Nah, itu kesamaannya apa sih? Kalau perbedaan sosialnya gimana sama negara Barat sama Asia? Apakah dia mengikuti keduanya atau tidak? Kurang lebih seperti itu pertanyaannya. Oke, let's explain about it.
Okay. Should I talk hypothetical?
Uh-huh.
I can say this: the Turkey is like a bridge, bridge, and
Okay.
this bridge contains two foots.
All right.
And one of them is the Europe side, and the second one is the Asia side.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have to say again, Turkey is like a bridge between the Europe and Asia. There's a simple answer, There's just simple answer. If you go to the website of the Turkey, you can see easily people who seems like the European guy. But the river side is totally different. If you go to the east side of the Turkey, you can see easily the original Anatolia guy.
But how about the socially there? It's different. It's different with Europe or no, or the same, or just so.
Seems like Europe, but not exactly Europe.
All right.
That's a Turkish effect. Turkish effect. Like a east side, Western Turks much more educated.
All right.
But east side usually farmer, and like these people. Yes, as I said, but the Eastern Turks, not the Arabic or not the Irish guy,
All right. Okay, I know.
Iron guy. Yeah.
Okay.
We are totally different, my friend.
It's totally different ya. Jadi guys, okay, let me explain with my viewers in Indonesia. Oke guys, jadi tadi kan gue nanyain tentang apa namanya sosial di Turki itu bagaimana, sama dengan kayak di perbedaannya gimana, lebih ke barat-baratan atau lebih ke timur-timuran gitu loh. Nah, dia jawab itu tadi sometimes ke barat-baratan, sometimes ke timur-timuran, but definitely different, kata dia gitu. Itu artinya maksudnya yang gua tangkep maksudnya dia adalah ya Turkis itu ke timur-timuran tetap budayanya. Cuma kalau lu mau membandingkan dengan negara-negara timur lainnya, dia jauh lebih free gitu loh. Like a freedom, Turkish freedom, right?
Oh, exactly. Freedom is our sense of point.
Alright. Okay, man. I wanna give you the question anymore. It's number three.
Okay,
Like, by the way,
yeah.
it's like school, yeah. It's like school.
Exactly. I'm in any example.
Okay, man. How do you find out about my country? How's your impression? Nah, gue nanya, let me explain with for my YouTube, for my viewers. Jadi gue nanya, gimana lo bisa tahu negara gue, terus gimana pendapat lo tentang negara gue. Jadi gitu. Let's explain about that. Let's answer because there's a lot of people of Indonesia waiting for you, waiting for your answer. What do you think? And what do you answer?
Okay,
All right.
I think this question is a little bit tricky and cheating question because, as you know, that's huge distance.
Uh-huh.
Indonesia and Turkey. That's huge distance.
Uh-huh.
Surely we are very far away from each other. And but besides, all of we know that Indonesia is a Muslim country.
Yes.
And your country contain many islands.
Yes, exactly.
Maybe thousand and much more.
More or less 17,000 islands.
Wow, that's a huge number. Yeah.
Like,
And your country at the north side of Australia. Yeah, I think that everybody know this in the Turkey.
yes.
And you have many good beach. You have many good beach. Many.
Of course, you have go to.
Yes.
By the way, have you ever come to Indonesia first? Before?
No.
Not yet.
Not
Okay.
before. I will because I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go Australia in 1 month.
Alright.
And probably half year later. Yeah, half year later, I will come to Indonesia.
And we can meet, yeah.
Yeah, I will catch you. I will catch you, wrong guy.
Okay. Enough? Your answer is enough?
Yes, I think that's enough.
Ya, jadi guys, tadi dia bilang kalian pasti penonton gue juga ada yang paham apa jawaban dia, karena tadi kan jawaban dia panjang, gue juga bingung tadi agak bingung mau ngejelasinnya. Pokoknya dia bilang yang dia tahu itu Indonesia adalah negara yang pulaunya banyak, terus pantainya bagus, terus gue nggak tahu tadi dia nyebut culture apa enggak karena gue kasihkan ngobrol. Jadi kurang lebih seperti itu. Jadi kita tuh terkenal sebenarnya dengan kekayaan alam yang kita miliki, guys. Jadi kita sebagai warga Indonesia, which is eh, kita terutama anak-anak muda ya, gue rasa kita semua sih harus memiliki gitu loh. Karena ini adalah negara kita dan mereka aja bangga, bukan bangga sih, tapi tahu negara kita dan mereka mengagumi negara kita dari segi pantai, dari segi pulau-pulaunya. It's such a beautiful, kata mereka gitu. Okay, man, let's move on to the next question.
Okay.
Are you ready, by the way?
Yes. I'm already ready.
Drink first. I'm so thirsty, man. And now, Turkey is really diverse in people, culture, religion, maybe even culinary. Is there any significant difference in Turkish culture? And what should people know especially? Jadi guys, let me explain the first. Jadi guys, ini kan gue bilang bagaimana culture-nya. Jadi kan mereka banyak culture ya, seperti apa? Banyak culture, banyak agama sama kayak di Indonesia gitu. Mungkin kulineri gitu loh kan. Terus bagaimana eh, Turki itu bisa, bukan bisa sih, tapi terus nggak jadi gini. Jadi apa ya? Jadi kita sebagai orang luar dari Turki, bagaimana kita bisa tahu yang spesial di mereka tuh apa gitu loh. Jadi gue akan memberikan kesempatan untuk teman gue ini menjawab. Let's answer, man.
Okay. I think this question is the deepest question.
Mhm.
All of them. And firstly, I want to talk about our culture, and because we have some differences and we have some different habits in our lives.
Uh-huh.
The Turkish humans are very sincere. Yeah. If
Yeah.
one day
Sincere.
you'll maybe come here and yeah, sincere, and then you'll see this, you know,
Uh-huh.
you'll see this. Uh, we are so sincere and
Wow.
hospitable people. Yeah, as I said, if you will be touristic here, and please ask toward food shops uh, for some free food. You know, if you will be the notice you and you are and if they say this, oh, these children tourists here, and they will give free food and free intention, you know, the everything.
Oke, let me explain
Yeah.
first. Explain first. Jadi mereka bilang Turki itu negara yang sangat ramah, hospitable, right? Hospitable itu ramah, and mereka tuh punya sincere. Sincere itu adalah ketulusan. Mungkin kalau menurut gue nggak cuma orang Turki yang punya itu, kita juga ini. Kalau menurut gue sih hal itu menjadi sebuah tanggung jawab individualisme masing-masing gitu loh untuk mempunyai kayak keramahan, kesopanan, lalu seperti yang tadi dia bilang ketulusan. Kayaknya Indonesia juga banyak ya guys. Cuma ini adalah jawaban dari dia, which is dia orang Turki, so mungkin dia mempunyai hal dan sifat seperti itu dalam dirinya.
Religion things. Religion subject is very different. It's according to the region, you know, and the place, area, whatever. I mean, if you go to not Australia, Saudi Arabia, you can see easily different way, Islamic way, you know,
Oke.
different lifestyle, and I'm sure about that. If I go to your country, I can see easily different museums habits, you know.
All right.
And my opinion about that, it's very complicated because we are living our special Islam, and we are use alcohol sometimes our special nights, stuff like that. And the women usually don't cover their head. Yeah, that's the point, you know. You know what I mean? If you go to Saudi Arabia, there is no way for this.
Yeah.
I'm talking to Turkey, you know, Turkish. We are different. The every area, every subject.
Yes.
Yeah, like this. That's my answer.
Because you talk about Turkey.
Exactly.
The point is we are talking about Turkey, not another country. Yeah, but we can compare it with another country too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, let me explain for Indonesia people. Oke.
Okay.
Jadi kata dia gini guys. Jadi kata dia kalau di Arabik itu beda sama di Turki. Memang Turki seperti negara Arab ya, kalau yang kalian tahu gitu loh, yang mungkin belum pernah ke sana, which is gue juga belum pernah ke sana. Tapi ini pendapat orang Turki sendiri bahwasannya kalau di Turki itu ya beda sama di Arab. Jadi walaupun agamanya Islam dan negara terkenal dengan negara Islam, tapi di sana juga maksudnya ada sebuah kebebasan juga, kayak ya kayak di Indonesia aja kan, kalian bisa minum alkohol. Jadi sama di Indonesia, nggak di Turki, nggak di Indonesia, nggak di Arab, sama semua. Kalau gua nggak tahu ya Arab, karena gua nggak berbicara tentang Arab di sini, jadi gua berbicara tentang Turki, which is dia teman gua orang Turki. Oke, semoga paham ya. Oke guys, let's move on to the next question. I think ini adalah pertanyaan terakhir. I think it is the last question for my friends, for you.
Okay.
I think this is not the question, but this is a challenge. Challenge for us.
Okay. I'm ready.
Can you teach
What's
me?
that?
Can you teach me some of your language, and I'll teach you my language too, if you don't mind.
Oh, okay. There's no problem, but I think if we do this,
Uh-huh.
we should teach other the same words.
All right. And then?
Same words. You firstly you choose the English. Say the English something,
Uh-huh.
and I will say the Turkish call, and you will call the Indonesian. You choose first, please.
Okay, I wanna like, how are you?
How are you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's not words. It's sentence.
Yeah.
It's sentence. Okay. How are you? Nasılsın? Okay, it's very, very short in the Turkish language. It's called nasılsın.
Nasılsın.
Exactly. Yeah,
Can
that's
you
very perfect.
can you correct me if I was wrong? Nasılsın.
Not e. Nasılsın.
Nasılsın.
Exactly. Yeah. Nasılsın.
Nasılsın, everybody in Turkish. And maybe I will teach you. Do you want?
Okay.
Okay, let me know what words wanna you say. What is sentence wanna you say?
If you first the Indonesian language, and I will say.
No, you using English language. I will translate in Indonesia, and you can follow me too in bahasa.
Okay. And I want to choose welcome.
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 Selamat datang.
Okay, that was too hard.
Welcome, which mean welcome is one word, but in Indonesia two words. Welcome in Indonesia selamat datang. Can you follow me? Selamat datang.
Selamat datang.
Selamat datang. 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 D A D A T A N G. Datang. Okay, Iko. It's okay, man. Which is good.
Okay. I choose wrong word.
Okay, by the way, thank you so much for your time. For me, especially, I wish we can spread the good positive things for people, right? And
Yeah.
Oke, guys, jadi gue berharap semoga ada hal-hal positif yang dapat diambil dari pembicaraan gue dan teman gue ini. Dan tolong yang negatif jangan diambil. Please don't take the negative things for this video, right?
Yeah. Thank you, my friend. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, thank you so much for. Sorry. Thank you so much for your time, especially for you, and thank you so much for everything, for your kind of for me, and yeah, something like that. Thank you so much, and nice to meet you, by the way.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, my friend. It's my pleasure. Yeah, it was a very good conversation.
Okay. By the way, do you want to say something for Indonesian people or Turkish people, for people who's watching this video?
Yeah, we are thinking, the Turkish people thinking always the good thing in yours country and yours folk, your people. Yes, we are salute you. Exactly.
Okay, enough.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, bye and see you next time.